Welcome! If you're looking to update the website link on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can keep your page information fresh and accurate with the new update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile photo, a menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to edit. This will take you to your page's main view. Now, look for the About section. It's usually listed on the left side menu or under your page's name, depending on your layout. Click on About to continue. Inside the About section, scroll down until you find Contact and Basic Info. This is where all your essential details are stored, including your website link. Look for the Website field. Right next to it, you'll notice a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this edit icon to make changes. Now, you can either update the existing website address or add a new one. Simply type in the correct URL for your website. Double-check to make sure there are no typos, as this is the link your visitors will use to reach your site. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button and click it. Your new website link will be updated instantly on your Facebook page. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can keep your Facebook page up to date and make sure your audience always has the right link to your website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for the latest social media updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.